Hi, this video focuses on a neat trick you can do with lists called list comprehensions. Say you want to create a list of the first 5 positive numbers. You could start out with an empty list, and then use a for loop to append the numbers. Quick review on this species of for loop. We start at 1 and go up to but not including 6. Okay, so Python is all about being able to express a lot in not very many lines of code. Turns out there's a quicker way to do this, and it looks like this. As you can see, we reduce 3 lines of code to just 1 line. Granted, the 1 line is pretty dense, so let's take a closer look. Let's break this down into pieces. This part is basically a for loop in disguise. It should look weird because it doesn't have a body and it appears in the middle of a bunch of code. But it still behaves similarly. It assigns numbers to I from a range starting at 1 and going up to but not including 6. The thing to the left of the for loop is the thing we want to append to our list each time the for loop ticks. In this case, we want to just take whatever number the for loop throws at us and append it to our list. Finally, you can think of the square brackets as indicators that this is, in fact, an expression that evaluates to a list. Let's see what happens when we change different parts of this. When we append I times 2 instead of I, we get the first 5 positive even numbers. This is basically equivalent to this code. The for loop goes from 1 to 5, and what we append is 2 times each number. We could also do a different mathematical expression based on I. In this case, we get the remainder of the numbers 1 through 5 when divided by 2. We can even do an expression that evaluates to a Boolean. These normally appear in if statements and while loops, but they can be out and about as well. We can change the arguments to range, and the result reflects that change. We can convert I to a string before appending it. The thing to the left of the word for can be any expression that you could put in a call to append inside a for loop. Okay, let's write some list comprehensions in the editor. I'll start with a really basic one. Numbers equals x for x in range 1 to 6. This is going to go up to but not including 6. And I can print numbers, and click run, and there you have the numbers 1 through 5. Now, if I want the first 5 square numbers, I could do something like x times x. And what this is going to do is it's going to take each number in this range and append this expression. So there you have it, the first 5 square numbers. We can also use the function pow to do the same thing, giving it the arguments x and 2, and it prints the same thing. And if we want the first 5 cubes, change the second argument to 3, and there are the first 5 cubes.